Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep certain Telegram contacts from seeing your bio on Telegram Web, this quick guide will show exactly how to do it step by step with the latest Telegram update right on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu. Click on it to open the sidebar. Next, scroll down and go into Settings. From there, select Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find all the control options to manage what others can see about you. Now, look for the option labeled Bio. Click it and you'll see a few visibility options: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To keep your bio visible only to people you trust, choose My Contacts. Once you've selected that option, look for the section called Never Allow. This is the key part. By using this feature, you can pick specific contacts who won't be able to view your bio even if they're in your contact list. Click Never Allow and Telegram will show your contact list. Browse through the list and carefully select the users you want to restrict. You can choose one or multiple contacts, depending on your preference. After selecting them, click Confirm to save the change.